Hey everyone, in this video, I'm gonna show you how to delete a YouTube playlist quickly on both mobile and desktop. So for desktop, simply open YouTube, then go to your library. From here, you can then select playlist, then simply find the playlist that you want to delete. And once you found it, you can then click on the three dots right next to it. Then simply select delete playlist. Then once you do that, you can then confirm and it's gone. But if you're on mobile, it's pretty much the same thing. You simply have to open the YouTube app, then tap library, then go to playlists, then simply select the playlist you want, then tap the three dots and then choose delete playlist. And boom, it's going to be removed permanently. So that's it. So that's how to delete a playlist on mobile or desktop. So I really hope you found this insightful, and if you did, then make sure to leave a like and of course subscribe. Then we'll see you on the next one.